Hello, good morning again. I mean, it's not morning for you obviously, but for me, it's still early. Today I'm excited, it's Red Bull Ring time again, but this time with Pigo, so that means tandems. Will be amazing, hopefully. Also there's a storm going on, so I didn't sleep super well, but who cares, it's drifting time, right? See you Red Bull. Jacob is also coming today, so see you there. We actually made it in time this time. Nobody's here yet. We're the first. It's 8 a.m. so perfect on time. Let's unload the trailer and check the track out. Let's see what layout we drive today. Hopefully a nice one for a tandem. So.
Hallo!
Das kannst du nicht einfach sagen.
Red Bull Ring!
Yes. Yes.
Weg drauf, oder?
Oh, voilà.
Wenn wir eigentlich loslegen, dann stellt euch einfach da hinterm Amarok auf und dann fahren wir mal unsere zwei.
Ich wollte gerade sagen.
Kurz nach 12.
Alter, was ist das?
Aber die Reifen, jetzt wird's gefährlich.
Ja.
Jetzt lassen uns echt komisch aus. Ich glaube, ich scheiß drauf, weil wir kühlen jetzt noch eine Runde an.
Alright, damage report. Pico hit me a few times. The other side's better. Right there. A few love taps. Was some amazing tandems. Yeah, the Red Bull ring is growing on me a bit. Was nice. Pico! Abschließende Worte? Pico, die letzten Worte.
Mein Gaspedal ist weg! Hilfe!